We're going to evaluate an Audi e-tron in a crash test today. But first we review it. Let's start, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. The Audi e-tron is a groundbreaking electric vehicle that has captured the imagination of drivers around the world. With its sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, the e-tron represents the future of automotive innovation. One particular story that stands out is the e-tron's journey to becoming the first all-electric vehicle produced by Audi. From the initial concept stage to the final production model, Audi engineers and designers worked tirelessly to create a vehicle that not only met the brand's high standards of quality and performance, but also pushed the boundaries of what an electric vehicle could be. The framework and safety cage, good practices for driver injuries, excellent headlight, leg pelvis good, torso good, driver head protection excellent, measures for rear passenger injury, good head, neck and good torso, leg pelvis good. Overall assessment, good safety cage and structure,